Welcome to Geeta School online classes. Already we discussed first chapter real numbers, sets, polynomials, and fourth chapter a pair of linear equation. First exercise also completed. Now we are discussing fourth chapter, exercise 4.2. A pair of linear equations in two variables. Here ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is the general form of linear equation in two variable. Linear equation means here degree is 1. Here no degree means degree is 1. Here in this chapter there are three exercises are there. First exercise, exercise 4.1, graphs of linear equations in two variables. Already we completed this graph in previous classes. Exercise 4.2, solving linear equations in two variables using algebraic methods. First method is elimination method and second method is substitution method. Using these two methods we are doing exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.3 is equations reducible to a pair of linear equations. A pair means two equations. The first equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now we are discussing about exercise 4.2 first problem. I already sent these problems in WhatsApp. Now first one, the ratio of incomes of two persons. Here two persons ratio is 9:7. Here we are taking one part is equal to x. First person income is equal to 9 into x, 9x. Second person income is equal to 7 into x, 7x. The ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. Here one part is equal to y. Here first person income 4 into y, 4y. And second person income is equal to 3 into y, 3y. Here first person savings here first person savings is 2000. Here saving is equal to income minus expenditure is equal to 2000. Here income is 9x and expenditure is minus 4y. Expenditure is 4y is equal to 2000. This is the first equation. Second person savings also 2000. Here second person income is 7x and expenditure is 3y. 7x minus 3y is equal to 2000. This is the second equation. Solve 1 and 2 equations. The first equation is 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000. Here what I am doing, here I am making y coefficients equal. To make y coefficients equal, first equation multiply with 3. 3 9s are 27 minus 3 4s are 12. 12y is equal to 3 2s are 6000. Second equation multiply with 4. 4 7s are 28 minus 4 3s are 12y is equal to 4 2s are 8000. Okay, we can change the signs. Here minus plus minus. Minus 28 plus 27 minus 1x. Minus 8000 plus 6000 minus 2000. Both sides minus will be cancelled. X is equal to 2000. First person income is equal to 9x. 9 into 2000. 9 2s are 18,000. First person income is 18,000. Second person income is equal to 7x. 7 into 2000. Second person income is equal to 7 2s are 14,000. Discuss second problem. In second problem, two digit number. Two digit number means here two digits. Two digit number I am taking x, y. Y is in ones digit, x is in tens digit. This expanded form. 10 into x, 10x plus 1 into y, 1y. And reversing two digit number. This one we can do reverse. Xy reverse, yx. X will come ones digit place and y will come in tens digit place. 10 into y, 10y plus 1 into x, 1x. 10y plus 1x. Now sum of two digit number and reversing two digit number is 66. Both adding means we are getting 66. xy plus yx is equal to 66. Here xy means 10 into x, 10x plus 1 into y, 1y plus 10 into y, 10y plus 1 into x, 1x is equal to 66. Now we can add the like terms. Here x is like term. 10x plus 1x. 10 plus 1, 11x. And y is like terms. 10 plus 1, 11, y. Here 11 is the common. We can take 11 common. Here remaining x plus remaining y is equal to 66. 11 is left side. Left side number is multiplying. It is coming to right side. It will become division. 66 by 11 is equal to 6. X plus y is equal to 6. This is the first equation. We got first equation. After that, if the digits of the number is differ by 2. Here first digit is x minus, difference means minus, and second digit is y is equal to 2. This is the second equation. Now solve by substitution method. Previous problem we discussed elimination method. Now I am doing substitution method. From first equation, what is the first equation here? X plus y is equal to 6. Here I am finding y value. Plus x coming here means minus x. Y is equal to 6 minus x. This value substitute in second equation. Here already we took first equation, means another equation is second equation. We can take another equation. Here another equation, second equation. What is the second equation? X minus y is equal to 2. X minus y is equal to 2. Here already we know y value is 6 minus x. In y place we can substitute 6 minus x. X minus bracket 6 minus x is equal to 2. Now we can remove the bracket. X minus 6 minus 6, minus into minus plus x is equal to 2. Here x plus x. X plus x how much? 2x minus 6 is equal to 2. Here left side minus 6 coming to right side, it will become addition. 2 plus 6 is equal to 8. Here 2x is equal to 8. 2 is multiplying, here coming means division. Then x is equal to 8 by 2. Then x is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. X is equal to 4. X value 4 substitute in, y is equal to 6 minus x. Now y is equal to 6 minus x plus how much is there? 4. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Then y is equal to 2. Here 2 digit number. What is the 2 digit number? X, y. Here x value how much? 4. And y value how much? 2. 42. Reversing 2 digit number. Here 2 digit number we got 42. Reverse means 24. 24. Here how many numbers are possible? 2 numbers are possible. First number is 42 and second number is 24. Here possible 2 digit numbers are 2. They are 42, 24. Like this you can practice exercise 4.2. All exercise 4.2 problems are using elimination method and substitution method. Thank you.